Hazrat Salama radiyallahu anha states that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Whosoever of the Muslims facing adversity says, as per Allah's command, we belong to Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, and to Him shall we return. O Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, grant me a reward in this catastrophe, and decree something good for me in its wake." Allah Jalla Jalaluhu decrees for him good in its wake. Hazrat Salama radiyallahu anha says, when Hazrat Abu Salama radiyallahu anhu passed away, I thought which of the Muslims would be better than Abu Salama radiyallahu anhu, whose family was the first one to immigrate to Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. However, I passed these remarks, and Allah Jalla Jalaluhu after him appointed Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam for me. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam dispatched Hatim bin Abi Balta to me, sending a marriage proposal. I whereupon submitted, I have a daughter and I am short-tempered. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, as for her daughter, I will invoke Allah Jalla Jalaluhu to relieve her worry about her daughter, and I will also invoke Allah Jalla Jalaluhu to rid her of her quick temper. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 2123.